Hello guys, today we age the wine without the barrel. How you can do it? Very easy. In some countries it's not legal, in other countries it's more legal, there is some law. But if you do at home, don't worry, you can do it. For this recipe you need 2 liters of wine. I will use Primitivo wine from Italy, very famous all over the world. 100 grams of oak wood and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. After I will explain you why. How you can prepare your oak or your wood at home? You can see how watching the video here when I made the homemade whiskey at home. I don't explain here again because it will be the video too long. You can follow the instruction. If not, you can buy directly on Amazon. I will put the link under the video where you can buy the oak on Amazon. You order and you receive it home and you put the stick directly in your wine. If you don't like Amazon, you can copy the name and look in the website. Or if you live in a country where you cannot receive some box or something from Amazon, you can copy the name and check in the website in your country. If not, if you homemade the wood like me, also the one that you receive, if you want to increase the smoke flavor, you need a torch like this one, for example, and you need to brown a little bit your wood like this, but be careful, don't exaggerate. You don't have the torch like me, you can use any kind of fire, also the fire from the stove. So why we put the sugar in the wine? Usually during the period that the wine stay in the barrel, because the wood is has small holes. Sorry, I don't know how to explain in English. Has small holes, so we say that the wine can breathe. So a little bit of alcohol, but very little, and most of all the water from inside the wine evaporate a little bit, so the wine is more concentrated. This is why adding a little bit of sugar increase the power of the wine. It's not for a kind of fermentation, remember, because the wine, when you buy the wine, will never ferment again. So we put the wine in the jar, we close with the lid, and we should wait at least 6 days. 6 days is like 6 months, the standard time that people put the wine in the barrel. This is the minimum. After 6 days we will test it and let's see. See you in 6 days. The last things, because the wood is floating, so at least 1 time a day you need to shake your wine. Be careful that the lid should be closed properly. After 6 days I will taste my wine. I will bottle it, like you notice from my bottles with this fashion style, very ugly, but it's very clear. So now I will put the wine here after 6 days The other one I will keep in the jar with the wood, and after 10 days I will put in the bottle, so we can check the differences, because in theory the effect of the wood here will be 6 months, here 10 months. This is the idea. But remember that different kind of wood, different result, different kind of test, so up to you. I'm using oak wood. Some people use other kind of oak, because there is different kind, depend of the country where you can find it. You can use the wood from the apple tree, wood from cherry tree, and so on. Up to you. You can try different things. Naturally, the taste will change. Also, some people use hard roasted wood, medium or light roasted. Up to you. Now I ordered some piece of wood from Amazon, so you will see this kind of wood in another video for sure, because I want to use them to age, we can say, grappa, very famous in Italy, and also maybe some kind of beer. Let's see. Okay, put it in the bottle. I will taste it. I can smell the wood, but not the smoke. Good, but yes, also at the taste, I cannot taste the roasted wood. I can taste that stay in the barrels, we can pretend, but not the roasted wood, the smoked wood. When I done the whiskey, the smoked flavor was very strong. Probably I didn't roast it very well, my wood. Okay, good, but not what I wanted. See you in 4 days to check our wine, to test our wine after 10 days. After 10 days, I filter my wine and I put in the bottle. Remember to filter it, because the wood release always some dust, something. So if you filter, it's better, especially the last part of the wine. Now, to understand, to check the differences, I will taste before the original wine and after the other wines. You can taste the wood, smell it a little bit. This wine, after the wood, you can taste more the tannins in the wine. After 10 days, you can smell it more, the wood, a little bit of smoke, but not so much. Probably I didn't roasted the wood like I should. So if you do it at home, please follow the video of the whiskey. Yes, after 10 days is better. So in the link, in the description of the video, I put the link to buy the wood on Amazon, but I want to encourage you to try by yourself. If you or your neighbor or people that you know have a tree of apple tree, pear tree, cherry tree, all this kind of fruit, you can try to use it in your wine. If you try, please let us know down in the comment. You can share your experience and your advice. They are always welcome. Okay guys, if you are not subscribed yet to the channel, I invite you to subscribe to the channel here under the video where you see my logo. To share this video with your friends. If you have some questions, some requests, some advice, please write down in the comment. If you try some of my recipe, if you make some experiment like me, please share your pictures with me on Instagram. Bye bye! The color too is different, is more dark brown. The original one is more dark red.